Hi viewers, welcome to AJ Solutions YouTube channel. If you like my videos, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Java is a popular programming language that has been around for more than 2 decades. It was created in 1995 by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems, which was later acquired by Oracle Corporation. Java was designed to be a platform-independent language that could be used to develop applications that would run on any system, regardless of the underlying hardware and operating system. Java has become one of the most widely used programming languages in the world, and is used in a variety of applications, from web applications to mobile applications to enterprise applications. In this article, we will explore the history of Java, its features, its advantages and disadvantages, and how it is used today. History of Java. The origins of Java can be traced back to the early 1990s, when James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystems were working on a project to develop software for home appliances. They wanted a language that was simple, reliable, and platform-independent, so that the software could be easily ported to different devices. Initially, they developed a language called Oak, but later changed its name to Java. The first public release of Java was in 1995, and it quickly gained popularity because of its ability to run on any platform, its ease of use, and its security features. In 1999, Sun Microsystems released Java 2, which introduced several new features, including support for writing enterprise applications and web applications. Java 2 also included a new class library called the Java Foundation Classes, JFC, which provided a set of graphical user interface, GUI, components for building applications. In 2006, Sun Microsystems released Java SE6, which introduced several new features, including support for scripting languages, improved performance, and new APIs for working with XML and web services. In 2010, Oracle Corporation acquired Sun Microsystems, and Java became a part of the Oracle family of products. Oracle has continued to develop and maintain Java, and has released several new versions of the language since then. Features of Java. Java has several features that make it a popular choice for programming. Platform independence. Java code can run on any platform that has a Java Virtual Machine, JVM, installed. This means that Java code can run on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and other platforms, without the need for recompiling the code for each platform. Object-oriented. Java is an object-oriented language, which means that it supports the concepts of encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. This makes it easy to write complex applications, and to reuse code in different parts of an application. Garbage collection. Java has a garbage collector that automatically frees up memory that is no longer being used by the application. This helps to prevent memory leaks and makes it easier to write code that is free from memory management issues. Security. Java includes several security features that help to prevent malicious code from being executed on a system. These features include a bytecode verifier, which ensures that code is safe to execute, and a security manager, which controls access to system resources. Rich API. Java includes a rich set of APIs for working with graphics, networking, databases, and other system resources. This makes it easy to write applications that interact with a wide range of devices and services. Advantages of Java. Platform independence. Java code can run on any platform that has a JVM installed. This means that Java developers can write applications that run on multiple platforms without having to write separate versions of the code for each platform. Object-oriented. Java is an object-oriented language, which makes it easy to write complex applications and to reuse code in different parts of an application. Large community. Java has a large community of developers who contribute to the development of Java and provide support to other developers. This community is a valuable resource for learning and troubleshooting issues. Robustness. Java includes several features that make it robust, including garbage collection, exception handling, and type checking. This helps to prevent common programming errors, such as memory leaks and null pointer exceptions. Security. Java includes several security features that help to prevent malicious code from being executed on a system. These features make Java a popular choice for developing secure applications, such as online banking and e-commerce sites. Scalability. Java is scalable, which means that it can be used to develop applications that can handle a large number of users and transactions. This makes it a popular choice for developing enterprise applications. Disadvantages of Java. Performance. Java can be slower than other languages, such as C and C++. This is because Java programs are typically run on a virtual machine, which adds an additional layer of processing overhead. Memory usage. Java programs can use a lot of memory, which can be a problem for applications that need to run on systems with limited memory resources. Learning curve. Java has a steep learning curve, particularly for developers who are new to object-oriented programming. This can make it challenging for new developers to get started with Java. Code complexity. Java programs can be more complex than programs written in other languages, due to the language's extensive class libraries and APIs. How Java is used today. Java is used in a variety of applications today, including web applications, mobile applications, and enterprise applications. Here are a few examples of how Java is used today. Web applications. Java is a popular choice for developing web applications, due to its ability to run on any platform and its robust security features. Many popular websites, such as LinkedIn and eBay, are built using Java. Mobile applications. Java is also used for developing mobile applications, particularly for the Android platform. Android applications are written in Java and run on the Android operating system. Enterprise applications. Java is widely used for developing enterprise applications, such as customer relationship management, CRM, systems, enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems, and supply chain management, SCM, systems. These applications typically require high scalability, security, and performance, which are all features that Java provides. Scientific computing. Java is also used in scientific computing applications, due to its ability to handle large amounts of data and its support for numerical computations. Conclusion. Java is a popular programming language that has been around for more than 2 decades. It was designed to be platform-independent, object-oriented, and secure, and has become a popular choice for developing a variety of applications. While Java has some disadvantages, such as performance and memory usage issues, its advantages, such as platform independence and security, make it a popular choice for developers. With its large